What's good, y'all? We back with another video. I'm happy it's Friday and we ended the day with a dub, so I'm happy. And also we did it with the Discord, so if you're not in the Discord, you missed out on some money because we made a bag today. I'm excited because the people who did tap in trusted me and we got the dub. You know what I'm saying? So you know how I feel. I love winning on Fridays. I love ending the week in the positive. I think this week I went 3-1 just because one of those days I had two trades. One was a win, one was a loss, but we ended a full week in profit. So we're gonna break down this trade again. If you're not in the Discord, I don't know what you're doing. It's free. Tap in, and I'm giving out trade ideas and I'm trading with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Next Friday we are gonna do live calls, so which means I'm gonna send out a web link for those who want to tap in. I don't care if it's one person or 10 people or 30 people, I don't care. I'm sending out a link, and if you want to trade with me live starting next Friday, what's next Friday? The 23rd, I think. Yeah, next Friday the 23rd, the free people, if you in the Discord, you're gonna be trading with me live on calls. All right, and we're gonna win, or I'm not gonna say we're gonna win because I don't know, but we're gonna work our system just like we do every single day, and we're gonna try to get another dub, but we're gonna do it together. So let me break down how we end up taking the dub today on CL, and this was all before 9 a.m. So I love ending Fridays not only with a win, but it being super quick. But yeah, let me tap in and show y'all what the W was. So obviously we start off the same way, right? We mark off our daily highs and our daily lows, right? We see that price, by the time I got to the charts, price had already taken out the previous day low, right? So for me, I want, if price taking the previous day low already, my only option is to probably take a counter trend trade, like a buy, or wait for price to give me some sort of retracement to take a continuation sell down. Either way it go, I was waiting for either one of those two situations to happen. Today we end up getting a counter trend trade, and let me show you why I end up taking this counter trend trade. All right, so obviously we took out the previous day lows, right? So I go to the 4-hour and I'm looking at what price is doing. Now, if you see, we have some sell side liquidity here, and we have a gap on the 4-hour that price didn't fill all the way. So not only did we take sell side liquidity, but price filled that gap, right, without closing in it. So I'm like, okay, this area is a key area if we want to try to take some buys up and then continue down. So all I was waiting for a lower time frame. This would be a situation where I'm only waiting for a lower time frame market structure shift to take some buys, but these are going to be scalps. I'm not holding these long because I know the overall trend is still sells. So I go down to the 1 hour. I see that price did not close below this low. So I'm like, okay, buys could be valid, right? All I need, again, is some sort of market structure shift on a lower time frame, and then some rejection, and then a break of that bullish candle for me to get into some buys. So I go down to the 5-minute, and what did we get, right? Obviously we're selling now, but we took the buys. What did we get? We got price rejecting, taking sell side liquidity, right? Rejecting this area on a high time frame and not closing below, and then we get some market structure shifts, leaving some fair value gaps. What is my strategy? If you guys haven't gotten my strategy yet, I'm telling you this step by step, what I'm looking for, right? I wait for price to displace to the upside, and then leaving a fair value gap, and then tapping into that fair value gap, giving me a close, right? Because that's one thing that I let everybody know in my Discord today. My trading plan is to wait for the candle close and then get in on that break, right? So we got a candle close, and then we got a break in that area, and then it was history from there. I'm gonna bring that back up. It was history from there. I love trades like this that tend to play out within maybe like 15 to 30 minutes. Super easy. I don't have to wait too long. All I did was wait for price to give me some sort of confluence to let me know that we are going to go up. I don't know. I didn't even bring on my EMAs. EMAs didn't really play a part. I didn't even bring them on for this particular setup, but yeah, that's all I was looking for. On the 15-minute, it did, because the 15-minute closed above this high, right? I mean, it's a smaller time frame high, but before this area here, I was a little bit more confident in continuing the buys. But on the 5-minute, you can see it very clearly, having that market structure shift, displacement to the upside, leaving some sort of fair value gap, and then price coming into there, respecting it, giving me some sort of bullish closure. Right now, I don't wait for it every single time. Right, like there's some situations where I can't wait for it to close because it's super volatile. But in today's particular situation, I was able to get that bullish closure and then a break of that close to get in. So there's nothing really else as far as that setup that I need to break down. Like, it was super simple, super easy. I do this every single day. Same system, same strategy, same entry. All it is rinse, wash, repeat, right? I might not win every time, but from my edge, this particular system works for me. And I make a lot of money off of it. So I'm gonna keep doing it. And I'm glad that I got some people in the Discord already. It's only the second day that we didn't drop, and we got a couple people in there that's tapping in with me, that's trusting me, and that made some money today. So if you want to make some money, tap in with the Discord. I'm not gonna keep preaching. I'm not gonna force y'all to do it. I'm not trying to beg y'all to do it, but I'm telling you, it is free. So tap in if you resonate with how I trade. Tap in with me, like, it's free. I'm not asking you to buy nothing. If you choose to do so, you can. But if you just want to see what I got going, you know what I'm saying, and you want to see how I trade and see if you can catch some W's with me, tap in with me. You know what I mean? Get some land with me. So that was it for this particular trade. I did call out a couple more trade ideas that didn't really play out, but we only took this one. So let me show you in the Discord. Like, look, man, like we already got people tapping in with me. You know what I'm saying? That took the trades. I send out the trade ideas of what I'm looking for. So this is what I originally sent, right? Letting y'all know this is what I need. If you understand my strategy, you understand why I'm getting in, where I'm getting in, you understand what I'm looking for before I get in, right? And then you know, I send you the after. Like, come on now, we ain't playing over here, man. We're not playing over here. We ended up catching about 50 pips on that one. If you held to the full TP, you caught the full 50 pips. If you didn't, you at least got some money on a Wednesday. So not on Wednesday, today Friday. On a Friday to end the week, you got some money. So I'm sending out these, you know what I'm saying, trade ideas, and whether you want to take them or not, you know what I'm saying, that's up to you. I personally will let you know if I'm getting in, right? So if I go to the chat, we go to the chat and I say, let me show you. I'm in. I'm telling you I'm in. Which means if you want to hop in too. But you gotta understand, and then you got the profits if you want to send, you know what I'm saying, if you caught it and you took profit. But yeah, man, that's the Discord. For the few people who have already tapped in, I appreciate you. We just getting started. We new with it. We just getting started. So I don't expect just thousands of people to hop in. I want to prove myself. I want to prove to you guys why I know, and show you guys that I know what I'm doing. And then if you trust me and you want to take these trades with me, come tap in with me. So that's it. Oh, let me show you my P&L on the day, so you know I ain't no cap. 2100 on a day. I love it here. And then also my next video, hopefully sometime next week, I want to drop. I got a surprise for y'all. I'm gonna drop something for y'all that I think you guys are gonna like. I'm personally excited for. But yeah, man, that's it on a day. Super easy trade. let me say, I wanted to give a shout out to this one particular person who's really been active. Like there's people who are tapping in, but they're not really active yet. And understandably, it's new. You know what I'm saying? The Discord is new, so I ain't really expecting everybody to, you know what I'm saying, tapping on the chat. But this one particular person has been in the chat heavy and sending their profits. I think your name is Lux. What you doing? So I wanna say shout out to you. Let me let y'all see. Shout out to you for taking these trades with me. For not only taking the trades with me, because I'm pretty sure there's other people who are taking the trades, but tapping in with the chat, being active in the chat. I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? From the get-go, they've been with me. So I appreciate you. And for anybody else who wants to tap in, come on through. You know what I'm saying? This is not no fluke. We actually winning over here. So that's it. That's all I got. I appreciate y'all. If you want to tap in with the Discord, link in the bio. Also, trading strategy in the bio. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be an exclusive member, you know, you got that as well. If that's what you want to do, those people will be able to trade with me live every single day. One-on-ones, you get an 8% off for that. You got psychology check-ins that we're gonna do. You got weekly webinars that we're gonna do. So yeah, that's all I got, man. Ending the week with a dub, ending the week profitable. That's the end goal. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we do it. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.